Well, it's 6:45 in the morning. I'm in the bathroom. You know what I'm doing. Taking a big old shit. God, my fucking head is big as fuck. Anyway, I'm going to do like a little mini vlog. Real short. Of what's going on here in Oklahoma. Kind of give you like a quick sight scene thing from the car. It'll be short, but I'll try to throw something funny in, okay? So we're at breakfast. It's cold as fuck outside. I got all the guys here with me. Chapo.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I'll keep you posted.
It's crazy here. No English. Oh yeah. El Chapo's always on the phone. Mr. Fast Talker, sweet boy right here. We're gonna do some videos one day.
All right.
We're gonna be a special guest on my show. Ah, so hungry. Cruising down the street in El Chapo's U-Haul. So you're pretty popular now. I got requests for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they want to ask another question.
Okay.
All right. So do you know who Big Rob is?
No.
He's some fitness guy, Team Humanity, runs around talking about humanity, bothers people in the Costco. But the question proposed by my squad, especially Natty Comics, is, would you fuck Big Rob's wife?
What does she look like?
She's a Lebanese mail order bride.
I think so.
You think so? All right. Because Brody's already fucking... Oh, shit. What happened?
He died.
Oh, no. Fucking you all died. We can't get out of traffic. It died again? No, it's running.
Why did that?
The RPM gauge is at 1,000. So you can't make this you can't make this shit up. Fucking U-Haul. Yeah, they want to see more El Chapo, but I said you're like a limited guest.
Yeah.
Can't come around very much.
Special guest.
Special guest, yeah. Maybe we'll get Josh on here. Alright, we'll come back. So what I'm intending to show you in the freezing cold, because it's so cold here. I'm staying at Black Bear Diner. This is something called Abulo's over there. This is La Quinta. And my hotel is way over there. Anyway, this is Black Bear. Now I'm showing you this because in California, like, everything's packed together, close. So this is Kwan's kitchen. You see how far away it is. My hotel is way over there. I gotta walk there. And then there's some businesses, but there's a ton of room in between all the real estate here versus like California. So I gotta show this to Eric so you guys know what I'm talking about. Man, I cannot believe how cold it is. I haven't walked very far from those two little bears. You feel the wind or hear the wind. And the dirt here is red, which is weird to me. You see, all these buildings are far away. It's weird. There's that red dirt I was talking about. It's red as fuck. Alright, so I haven't gone to Twin Peaks. I'm probably not, but that's like a strip club restaurant. Like, all the girls wear lingerie. Probably not going to go. And that at the restaurant next to it's actually pretty close. And there's a bunch of like little stuff in there. Smoothie place, Japanese fast food. That little building. Past that, oh, you can't see it on here. There's the Holiday Inn, my hotel, Burger King security guards. But look at this, man. Everything is far. Like, nothing's built on top of each other like what I'm used to. It's so weird. So much land here in Oklahoma. put the weather. Tornadoes don't come till May, so I'm very disappointed in that. I really wanted to see tornadoes, but oh well. And freezing fucking cold. This morning was kind of nice, and then within a couple hours it just got windy and cold as hell. It's a very weird state. It's kind of cool, I guess. People here are really nice too. Most of the restaurants are empty. They stopped serving alcohol at 9 o'clock, and they water down the beer. And this whole town shuts down at 10 o'clock. Everything's closed. And I'm in Edmond, I guess I say it. And it's like the nice ritzy area. Restaurants everywhere. I'll show you guys in the video. You'll see what I mean about the land. The place is a trip. Did you see? I told you. Alright, so all this land, and then here comes a bank.
Dry cleaners.
All made out of brick. And then a few feet more of dry cleaner, and then another quite a few feet more, whatever that thing they're building is. Everything is like far away from each other. See, guys, gotta come to Oklahoma. You can live here cheap. Maybe see a tornado for me. I know you want to see one. There's Popeye's chicken. And then keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There's Taco Bell. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There's A&W and Long Dong Silvers. You get the point. They're building a Costco here. See all the red dirt.
Okay, where are you located?
So there's Costco.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay.
And all the land around it. Way over here be the gas pumps. Like way over here is the gas pumps. Well, there's the, I can't see it. There's the freeway over there that you have to pay to get on. Fucking rip off. Land, lots of land. Lots of land, some water. Woo, water. It was like a quick, oh, it's a Service King. Collision repair. Our competitor, maybe? See all this land between buildings? I'll show more. There's the freeway, gotta pay to get on. Look at that, $1.35 for 2 axle. I guess it's not too expensive, at least.
It's a lot of money.
You think $1.35 is a lot of money?
It's a lot of money for driving on the road I already paid for.
We're driving on a road we already paid for. That's what taxes are for, right? How far is Oklahoma City from here?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. It's just empty. So I got a new question on my YouTube channel, and it says, maybe you can help me answer, maybe. It said, me and my wife are white, but both of our children are black. Should I take them to the doctors? What do I do?
I would go to the doctor.
You would go to the doctors? Could it be maybe that they're fucking the pool man and he's black?
Could be.
So that's your answer? Take them to the doctors?
Go to the doctor.
See what's wrong with them?
He'll figure it out.
Find out why their skin is black?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a good answer. Thank you, El Chapo.
All right, no problem.